Hello. Are you looking for the evidence and analysis you need when writing about the theme of Christmas spirit within A Christmas Carol? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Christmas spirit in the novella. What we will do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis which you can include. So let's begin. The only time I know of in the long calendar of the year where men and women seem by one consent to open their shut-up hearts freely and to think of people below them as if they really were fellow passengers to the grave, and not another race of creatures bound on others' journeys. Open their shut-up hearts, again, juxtaposes the oyster Scrooge. Dickens suggests that being an open and loving individual is the allegory to this tale. The simile, as if they really were, demonstrates not only the inequality and poverty of the time, but also helps demonstrate the socialist message of the writer. This is supported further by another race of creatures. God bless us, every one, said Tiny Tim, the last of all. The Christian message of goodwill to all is highlighted in this quote. And it's interesting that the character Scrooge, who has everything, wishes no one well, whilst the impoverished and disabled young boy who has nothing blesses humanity. A small matter, said the ghost, to any silly folk so full of gratitude. The ghost of Christmas past is mocking Scrooge's lack of generosity by highlighting that a small amount of money and Christmas spirit can fill people with gratitude. The adjective full highlights to the reader that not only a measly amount of charity can ensure that people are completely happy. I'm as light as a feather. I'm as happy as an angel. I'm as merry as a schoolboy. I'm as giddy as a drunken man. A Merry Christmas to everybody. A Happy New Year to all the world. Hello there. Whoop, hello. Scrooge realises the true value of sharing and generosity embodied in the Christmas spirit. The change is now complete when comparing a character to the original list of negative adjectives used to describe the figure. Light as a feather, the image demonstrates the character is free from heavy burden, the chains that Marley must wear, perhaps. It is also a reference to Egyptian mythology. The heart of a dead individual was weighed, and if it weighed more than a feather because the individual had sinned, the person would go to hell. The use of positive language such as merry and happy highlight how the figure is now a positive individual. To all the world, so the use of this inclusive language contrasts the singular language used by Scrooge earlier in the novella when he neglected the Christian message of Christmas. So thank you. That's a great selection of evidence analysis you could be using in your essays. Make sure you're now doing just that. Good luck.